I got the Prismo 10-watt wireless charger from RapidX. I got it from Best Buy for $23.99. It has 9 RGB modes. There's the side of the box. It says it has RGB LEDs. It's thin and light. It has non-slip silicone. And obviously it's a wireless charger. On the other side of the box, it says that it's compatible with iPhone 8 or newer, Android devices, AirPods, and other QI-enabled devices. And on the bottom of the box, you have your FCC information, your recycling information, and your cancer warning. On the back of the box, we have more information here. The input is USB-C, 5 volt, 2 amps, or 9 volt and 1.8 amps. Your output is 5 watts, 7.5 watts, or 10 watts. They have their website information on the top. Let's take our X-Acto knife and cut off the tape there. Alright, and the handle fell off. Let's move that to the side. There in the box we have our wireless charger and our USB-C cord. So it is a USB-C to USB-A. Alright, there's the charger itself. There's the bottom of the charger with the voltage information. It says it's made in China. Okay, so there on the side there you have your USB-C input. Just going to take the band off of this. So just plug your USB-C into this side of the charger. And then the last item in the box is the instruction booklet. It has the model number RXPRIB1 and how to use it. So you gotta plug it into an adapter to charge, and you just place your phone on it. And it says the charging indicator should illuminate blue, which is the little dot on the side there. You got your RGB lights on the bottom, and then your RGB toggle button with 9 modes on the bottom of the device. So it's hard to make out, but here's the button right here, right below the voltage information. Okay, it says that the blue light will stay on for 3 seconds when connected to the power outlet. Blue means charging, and off means fully charged. Flashing blue means you have a non-compatible device. Alright, let's try it out. Our USB-C is plugged into the device. Let's plug the USB-A into our wall charger. Okay, you can see the little light turns blue, and it's blinking, and it's off. You can see the background is changing, different colors, orange, got a green hue, a blue hue, a purple hue. Let's turn that upside down so you can see the LED on the side, change in color. We have our controls down here. Okay, so now it's solid red. I'm gonna hit that button again. Solid green. Solid purple, solid blue, solid yellow. Now it's rainbow color, which is pretty neat. Now it's kind of a circular rainbow, spinning around there. You can see the colors are circling. Now we're back to fading between colors. Fades blue to purple to light blue to yellow to red to green to blue. All right, let's click it again. Now we have it green to blue to purple with a slower fade in, so it's slowly fading to the other colors. Okay, let's hit the button again. We're back at the start. We are solid red again. Rainbow's pretty cool. Circling. Yeah, let's do the slow fade. Okay, our charger's on and plugged in. Let's put a phone on it. You can see the phone recognizes the charger and it started to charge. You can put it the other way as well. All directions are good for charging. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.